Hey guys, I'm back. It's your boy Bono. I told y'all I'm a mad scientist. I'm not gonna stop, guys, till I get the one built that I want. Well, you know what I mean? Like, I wanna get a good enough one where it don't take a lot of work, man. And a lot of money. Look at this car right here, man. Oh my God, this car got a Hemi in it too. Look at that. Look what that is. You know anything about classic cars? Oh my God, it's a 4-speed too. Man, this car probably worth $200,000, man. Look at that car. It is awesome. Look at that 98. My partner Buck had one of them. Buck 50, you remember you had the white one like this? Burgundy inside. Gotta be. Hey, look, it's another side over there. I see where they washing them. I don't know if it's back there. Look at that. Mustang. It's a 65. My grandmother had one. It's a 4-speed too. Look at that car. Oh my God. 4 speeds. What you want. They consider them hot rods. 4 speed is a manual. Go Cadillac. My partner Pat had one like that. It didn't look like it. He had one. Yeah, it's cool. Okay. I don't know what they want for that car. I can tell you right now. Man, that car, look at that truck, got a 440. A 440. Wow. Look at it. A truck. That's that big red thing. Yeah, it's gotta be some on the other side. Nigga. Hey, Rob, ain't you got that thing that takes you right to it on your phone?
It don't come up.
It won't come up?
It won't come up. I got it on now. That's right. So we'll go over there to the other side.
Yeah, let's do it.
Nobody's coming out here.
Oh, they see us. Yeah, right. Trust me, they see us. Yeah, they see us. You ain't in here moving around like this, ain't nobody. Look at that, man. That is cool, man. Forward to look. No, it's just right there, right out the door on the other side. Come on, I'll show you. Nice. I don't know. I guess it's on the tree. No, it's automatic. It only got 2 pedals. Oh, 98, man. Nah, to me, that's the best one in. I guess they got it roped off, so I guess they consider it the best one in there, too. Right there. Thing awesome, man. Alright, guys. You know what this is. I'll get you in trouble.
Yes, another guy in there. He's in there. We're looking around. Yeah, we'll look around a little bit.
Say it ain't on the other side? Oh, you gonna find out where it's at? We out in a town called Canton. They got that money out here, guys. all up on everything. King Ranch Power Stroke 6.7L. I guess that's good. I don't know shit about the truck. Alright guys, let me find this part, man, when we can get back to Lawrenceville, Georgia. Alright, it's cold as hell. I'm ready to go. Yeah, that bed line look good on that car. Good tape.